Pulte community is offering $5,000 towards your closing costs in this brand new Batavia home that most buyers don't even know exists. Let me show you exactly what you get and what that actually means for you. In this video, I'm going to be going over this beautiful floor plan named the Boardwalk, breaking down the incentive honestly, and telling you what you should know before you sign. If you're thinking about relocating or exploring new construction in the Chicagoland market, my contact info is in the description below if you want to explore your options. Let's get on with the tour. Now, the model we're touring today is the Boardwalk. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 2-story home coming in around 2,700 to 2,800 square feet, depending on the configuration. Prices on the Boardwalk start in the mid 500s and can move into the 600s with structural options and upgrades. Here's what makes this plan stand out. It's built around flexibility. Downstairs, you've got a multi-use flex room, office, playroom, whatever your household needs. And upstairs, you've got a loft on top of the 4 bedrooms. That's 2 flex spaces in one home, and the open concept kitchen and gathering room tie it all together on the main floor. Now, the Boardwalk is inside of a community called Ashton Ridge, which sits on Batavia's near west side, built on a fully redeveloped site. You're about a mile from historic downtown Batavia and about a mile east of the Randall Road corridor. That means you have the Fox River, local restaurants, and boutique shops in one direction, and Target and everything else in the other. This door right here is actually going to lead to your 2-car garage. It's being used as an office space right now for the model home, so we're not going to go into it. Let's take a look at the basement. This community falls within the Batavia 101 school district, one of the more consistently well-regarded districts in Kane County. H.E. Storm Elementary and Batavia High School are both within walking distance of this development. For relocating families, that proximity matters. Now, Ashton Ridge is a brand new community, 73 single-family homes and 89 townhomes on roughly 18 acres. It's still building out, which means you're buying into the early stages. That's something to be clear-eyed about. The neighborhood won't look finished right away, but you're getting in at the ground level of a community that's been planned carefully and is in a strong location. Are you relocating right now and want to know how new construction stacks up against resale? What you gain, what you give up, and how to navigate the builder process without anything catching you off guard? My contact info is in the description. And if you're in the research mode right now, I put together a free new construction guide that is meant for buyers specifically in this market. Links in the description below. Get it before your next builder visit. A mile out, you've got Instrom Family Park, playground, zip line, baseball diamond, basketball, soccer fields, and walking paths. Downtown Batavia gives you the Fox River Trail, local dining, and a genuine small town feel that a lot of relocating buyers aren't expecting to find this close to the Naperville and Aurora corridors. Now, let's talk about the $5,000 closing cost incentive because I want to be straightforward with you. On a home in this price range, closing costs can run anywhere from 2 to 3% of the purchase price. So $5,000 is a real and meaningful contribution. But here's what you need to understand. Builder incentives are often tied to using the builder's preferred lender. That's not automatically a problem, but my job is to make sure you're comparing that rate against what's available to you in the open market. Sometimes the preferred lender is competitive, sometimes it isn't. Before you commit, let's look at both. A few things I want you to know before you walk into any new construction builder's office. 1. The model is dressed up. The finishes you see in here are not all standard. Know what's included and what costs extra before you fall in love with the upgrades. 2. Builders have their own contracts and their own timelines. Having someone in your corner who can read that paperwork and push back when needed isn't optional. It's how you protect yourself. And 3, there is no cost to you as a buyer to have your own agent represent you in a new construction transaction. You're not saving money by going in alone. You're just going in without representation. If you're relocating in the Fox Valley and want to understand what new construction actually looks like versus resale, what you gain, what you give up, and how to navigate the builder process without getting caught off guard, reach out. My contact info is in the description. I'll walk you through the numbers and make sure you have the full picture before you make a decision.